Imagine this, you spend your hard-earned money on a brand new SUV, expecting safety, comfort, and reliability. But what if, instead of peace of mind, you end up with constant repairs, breakdowns, and frustration? The truth is, not every SUV on the market deserves your trust. In fact, some of the so-called popular ones are quietly draining wallets, wasting time, and leaving families stranded when they need their vehicle the most. And here's the dangerous part. Most buyers don't find out until it's too late. That's why today, we're exposing the 3 most unreliable SUVs of 2025, backed by real data from Consumer Reports. These are the models that look good on the outside but fail where it matters most: durability, dependability, and long-term value. If you're even thinking about buying an SUV this year, you need to know the truth, because one wrong choice could turn your dream ride into a financial nightmare. SUV Jaune 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid. The Escape Hybrid looks eco-friendly and efficient, but Consumer Reports shows it's a trap. Owners report constant electrical glitches, hybrid battery problems, and braking issues. These aren't small annoyances, they're expensive, recurring failures that slowly drain your wallet. The sad truth? People get blinded by the green hybrid label, but what they're really buying is repeated repair bills and endless frustration. SUV #2 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee, divided by Grand Cherokee L. The Grand Cherokee sells an image of toughness and luxury, but its reality is a collapse in reliability. Consumer Reports data highlights trouble with suspension, brakes, and electrical systems, exactly the things you need to trust most. It looks rugged, but once problems pile up, you're stuck with a money pit. Jeep's prestige lures buyers in, but the reliability issues hit hard, fast, and painfully. SUV #3 2025 Rivian Roan 2nd. The Roan 2nd is marketed as the future of electric SUVs, but right now, that future is unstable. Consumer Reports reveals major problems with software, electronics, and even battery reliability. Owners face glitches, recalls, and massive repair costs once warranty runs out. The illusion of going green and saving money hides the truth. This SUV can quickly turn into a financial and emotional nightmare. So, now you've seen the 3 most unreliable SUVs of 2025 vehicles that promise the world but quietly drain your wallet, your patience, and your trust. And here's the question that really matters. Would you ever risk buying one of these, knowing what you know now? Some people will still defend them. Maybe they already own one. Maybe they love the brand. Maybe they don't want to admit the truth. But reliability doesn't lie. The data is there. I want to know what you think. Do you agree with Consumer Reports? Or do you believe these SUVs are being unfairly judged? Have you owned one of them, and did it live up to the hype? Or was it a nightmare in disguise? Drop your experience in the comments, because the more people share the truth, the fewer buyers will get tricked. And remember, your comment might just save someone else from making a very expensive mistake.